This is a token operated cool drink manufacturing machine in which there is a carboy which is placed of 20 liters for water at the top. There is a refrigeration system inside. There is a service window for the customer to take out. These 4 syrups can be kept here, which is having a very good factory in Pune itself. Similarly, in the bottom, again lock is provided. As we see, empty glasses are stacked here, 100 numbers. This is the slot for the inserting the token. When the red lamp is glowing and the green lamp is not, at that time only the token is to be inserted. There are, as we see, 4 types of tokens and 4 types of syrups. This person will put the token as we see. Just to demo, we are just showing it. As we see, the syrup is coming and the water is also coming. As it stops, the person has to take away it. And now let us see the next. As we see, the glass has come. Now it is the turn of orange this time, it seems. The glass is full. Again insert the token. The glass is forwarded over there. Now it is the green one, which is khas.